Hey, what is going on today? You will never believe what I got. But ow. Oh hell, okay. So real quick before I get into this, don't forget I do have a giveaway going on that is linked down below. Please check it out, subscribe and all that fun stuff. Send your friends over, you know, whatever. But let's get into Ipsy Plus. So this is $25 a month. I'll put it on the screen just in case I'm wrong, just like I always do. And let's get into it. So I open it up and this is what I see. I see a lot of beauty products staring back at me. Oh, okay, let me calm down. Let me get a grip. It's just a box. It's just a box. Okay, so the first thing I am pulling out is, it says, welcome to the block party. And it says June 2019 block party. And I don't want to look in it. It does show you the products that are in the box. I will refer to that for prices, but I want to kind of be surprised. So the first thing I'm pulling out is, ooh, CEO Sunday Riley Vitamin C Rich Hydrating Cream. And it looks like that. And let's open it up. It does have a little thingy. Let's open that up. Ooh, that's a pretty color. Oh, that smells so good. It smells like vitamin C. It smells like oranges. Okay, I'm gonna put that back on. I'm not gonna stick my finger in it right now, but that's a good product. So let me see if I can find, the value is $65. Nice, Ipsy. Okay, so the next thing I am pulling out is Pixi by Petra, and it looks like it might be a mascara. I am not going to open this. I do have too many mascaras open right now for my liking, but let's take a peek. Yes, Pixi by Petra Lash Lift, and the value is $18. It is in black, and I'll do that. So that's what the brush looks like, or the wand. So that's cool. And the next thing I am pulling out is Generation Clay, Gen Clay. So Generation Clay, it's an Urban Defense Purifying Pink Clay Mask. The value is $39. And it says, by combining purifying clay with Australian botanical ingredients, this brand creates products that leave your skin feeling and looking clean and healthy. This mask is loaded with good-for-you ingredients like cacao plum to brighten, that must be what the little thing was, the plum, to brighten skin and help stimulate collagen growth. Deep cleansing bentonite clay, aloe vera soothes while acne fighting. Wow, it's acne fighting. I cannot pronounce those words. It cleanses, it purifies, and leaves your skin dewy, glowing, and gorgeous. The packaging is really pretty. I like it. Let's see. So it's 100% pure Australian botanicals. Let's see. I'll go ahead and open it and see, maybe. And it smells just very, I'm making a mess. So it smells just very natural. It doesn't smell bad, or it doesn't have a chemically smell or anything. It just smells really natural. So that is nice. And now I have it on my finger. So let me just wipe that off. Okay. The next thing I am pulling out here is, I think that says Jolie, maybe. And it is a pack. They're cruelty-free and gluten-free. I'm sorry, cruelty-free and vegan. And it is a set of lipsticks. Let's see, the set of lipsticks. It must be Jolie Cosmetics. Luxe Cream Matte Trio in Sakura, Lila, and Amore. And the value is $54. And you know what? I will go ahead and swatch these for you. So first we have, this must be Amore. The print is really, really tiny on the bottom, so I'm not, oh, and it smells, I just got it on my nose. It smells like candy or sugar. Or maybe like cake frosting. So there is that color. The next color is, oh, it's so small. I think this one is Lila. And it also smells like cake frosting. Ooh, that's a really pretty color. I like that a lot. That's that. And sorry about my lighting. Again, it is a very gloomy, doomy day here in Ohio. I just don't understand this weather that we've got going on. It's just crazy. And then I believe, I can't read this one at all, but I'm just going to assume that this one is Sakura. And that also smells really good. Oh, that's really pretty. And there is that. So those are definitely my colors. I like that. That's really nice. Okay, cool. And then the last thing I'm pulling out is a palette. And it's Tetris Game On eyeshadow palette. And the value is $24. And it looks like this. So that's a nice flashback to the 80s. Right on. Okay, let's pull it out. Oh, the package is so pretty. And we're going to open it up. And I'll go ahead and peel the plastic off. I'm definitely keeping this palette. So we've got Game Changer. We have Game Day, Game Night, Stack It Up, Block Party, and Game Over. Let's give these a swatch. So here we have Game Changer. Let's see, we'll go here. That's really smooth. So that's Game Changer. Game Day. Ooh, good Lord, I love that one. Game Night. Oh gosh, that's so pretty. Stack It Up. That's a good transition shade, I think. Stack It Up. It matches my skin tone perfectly. We have Block Party. That's really pretty too. And then the last one, let me wipe this off my finger. And then the last one, ooh, is Game Night. That's a really pretty midnight blue. Oh my goodness. That is gorgeous. Okay, you guys, that was Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, and I really like this box. This is just a great box. I absolutely am in love with this box. So I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Have a great day. Bye.